This mixer grinder is from Prestige, which is very well known for consumer appliances, kitchen appliances in India. This company's products are well maintained, quality, popular in India. Today I am going to unbox Prestige Atlas Deluxe mixer grinder, 750 watts, which is very much required for Indian kitchens because we Indians do masala grindings, masala powder in homes itself, so it is very useful for Indian kitchens. One should make sure that for light use they can go for 500 watt mixer grinders. For heavy usage we have to go for 750 watts mixer grinder. Main features of this mixer grinder is flow breaker design, cord winder storage. It comes with sturdy handles, break resistant jar bases that feels very sturdy, strong 750 watts motor, 7 super efficient blades. This product is made with pride in India. Also it has got ISI logo. Let's unbox this and we are going to look what are all the things comes with this mixer grinder. Here first we see jar lid. This is a juicer jar. This polycarbonate juicer jar with a capacity of 1.5 liter is unbreakable and comes with a stainless steel sieves with an advanced design to maximize juice extraction while separating the pulp from the juice. In this second box we can look there another jar lid, and this is chutney jar, stainless steel. This jar attachment is ideal for grinding small quantities of spices and making chutney. The jar is permanently fitted with a stainless steel blade. And here is another jar. This is a dry grinding jar, stainless steel. With a capacity of 1 liter, this jar can be used for dry grinding like condiments, roasted coffee seeds, spices, beans, etc. The jar comes with a flow breaker designed to give you better results. This is the main jar, wet grinding jar, stainless steel. You can prepare paste from rice, pulses, coconut, chutneys, masalas in minutes. It has a capacity of 1.5 liter and is attached with a stainless steel blade. This jar comes with a flow breaker designed to give you a better results while grinding. You can also as well do your whipping, chopping, mincing and grinding with the stainless steel jar. And here is one spatula. This allows you to mix the ingredients in the jar and can also be used in emptying the jar after grinding. In this third box we can look there. It is a plastic bowl to measure atta and water level to make atta dough, and this is atta kneader blade, that is plasticky one.
Yeah.
And here we get multi-utility jar. This polycarbonated multi-utility jar with unbreakable advanced design has a user-friendly blade which makes laborious daily activities like chopping, mincing and kneading a breeze. It is very easy to make atta dough and chopping vegetables. All those things we can do with this multi-utility jar. It has been provided with a chopping blade, you can see here. The capacity of this jar is 1 liter. You can remove these caps here like this. Then you can attach after you chopping vegetables and other things. And here we can see in the main box 2 jar lids for dry grinding jar and for wet grinding jar. Then we can observe there the mixer grinder, which is 750 watts, Prestige Atlas Deluxe. The weight of this mixer grinder is heavy because it is 750 watts. This is user manual. You can read how to use for the first time. The power cord wire is well built with 3 pins that suits to Indian sockets. And it is made up of tough ABS material. The base unit houses the powerful 750 watts heavy duty motor, speed selector switch, it comes with 3 speeds, with button, power indicator and overload protection. There we can see the glass has been provided, plastic glass, for how much atta we have to put for one go. For this we have to take atta this much. Then the water level they have given the hole here. This much of water level should be poured into the into this jar using this for this much of atta. I am going to pour this atta. First I am going to install this blade atta maker. That's it. Now I am going to add this atta. Now I am going to add water for this level. Then I am going to pour into the jar. This much only have to use water. We have to put this cap tightly. paratha is ready. This much of atta for one go we can make using this jar. Now I'm going to use this plate. Now I'm going to use this plate to cut vegetables. Now I'm going to cut beetroots for making beetroot roast. Chapi. It is very easy to chop vegetables like this. You can chop this kind of vegetables. This mixer grinder going to save a lot of time for you while making your cookings and meals ready, because it saves a lot of time by chopping. This kind of work it does, so you get more time to your life. Keep watching the video fully to watch all the variety of work it does. This mixer grinder is 750 watts, so you can grind raw ingredients of masala, which is we use in Indian cookings so much. Even very small quantities of this kind of masala ingredients can be grind to the powder very easily with this mixer grinder, thanks to 750 watts mixer grinder. Fully grinded for powder. Now that's it in this video. If you like this video, please click like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.